Hello guys, today I will start new lesson in PHP. This lesson will talking about arrays in PHP. When we want to create an array in PHP, we're creating a variable. Our array equals an array. We have indexed array. We will talking about indexed array. Indexed arrays starts from 0. This is your second value, third. Okay, this is your values. We have an index. Arrays start from 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have some numbers 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. I want to print the third number of this array. I will use the echo and our variable name, our array, and we using square brackets and the number of index. We have a 0, 1 and 2, 3 starts from 0. Okay, I want to echo 3, 0, 1, 2. Let's say it should printing 3. Let's say the result, yes, it prints 3. I want to print the last number of this array. Okay, I want 4. Okay, reload. This is 5. I don't know what's the count of this array. Okay, so I will using -1. Reload. 7, 5, 6, 9, 6. Oh, sorry. Yes. I will count. We have a count function in PHP. This count any variables and count any arrays in PHP. So if I count this our array, it will give me 5. So its index starts from 0. So I have multiplied this. I have subtracted this value. Let's see. The result is 5. So if I want to change the value of this array, I will doing this r equal to the r index number. I wanted to change this one to number 2. 0 equal to. Let's reload it, change it. Let's echo this. Echo r0. Say it's equal to. Let's say before and after. Let's echo after. This before and this after echo after, and this will be 4. This before. Okay, this before 1, after 2. Good. We have this basic about arrays. In the next lesson I will talking more about arrays, and we will taking deep about arrays. Thanks for watching. See you later.